nervous system is made up of three parts: brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. About brain we discussed in the last class. The remaining we are going to discuss now. So in that, the second part is spinal cord. The spinal cord starting from the medulla. Medulla is the lowest part of the brain. The spinal cord is starting from the medulla and going till the end of the backbone. See, till the end of the backbone. Inside, otherwise through the backbone, the spinal cord is going. The spinal cord is made up of nerves, and these nerves are going through the what? Backbone. We know the backbone also called vertebral column, means it is made up of 33 vertebrae. So this vertebral column is protecting the spinal cord. The spinal cord also control some actions like the brain. We know brain is controlling the whole part of our body. So like the same, the spinal cord also control some actions. Those actions are called reflex action. The reflex action is nothing but the sudden, otherwise the instant action. Without thinking, the instant action what we are taking, otherwise doing, is called reflex action, that is controlled by the spinal cord. For example, I am saying, when we are walking through a road, otherwise while we are walking, if we step on a sharp object, we will feel pain, isn't it? So immediately we will take off our leg, otherwise we step out of the leg. So how it is happening? Who is controlling this? Who is saying you take out your leg? That is, the spinal cord is giving the message to take off our leg from the sharp object. Like the same, if any object or anything come towards our face, otherwise eyes, what we are doing? Immediately we will close our eyes, otherwise immediately we will run. If we saw snakes, we don't think even a moment. Instantly we will start to run, isn't it? So all those instant, immediate actions is called reflex action, that is controlled by the spinal cord. The spinal cord is inside the vertebral column, which is starting from the medulla, the end of the medulla, and ending till the end of the vertebral column. And the third part of the nervous system is nerves. What? Nerves. Nerves are work like a messengers. Nerves are work like a messengers which carries the message from the brain or spinal cord to other parts of the body, and also from other parts of the body it carries the messages to the brain or the spinal cord. So here there are three types of nerves. First one is sensory nerve. From the name itself, we know it is connected with the sense organs. Which are all the sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. So these sense organs will sense something, isn't it? Tongue will be will sense the taste, nose smell, and ear hears the sound, and eye sees the otherwise watch the scenes, and our skin feel the hot, cold or anything, touches anything, feelings. So all these things, the messages, all of these messages carries by the sensory nerves to the brain or the spinal cord through this sensory nerves. It acts like a one-way traffic. You heard about one-way traffic. So through those roads, only one side the vehicles can go, from this end to that end. But the vehicle can't come from that end to this end. Only one directions the vehicle can go, isn't it? So that we are calling as one-way traffic. Like the same, the sensory nerves takes the messages from all the sense organs to the brain or spinal cord. It is clear? The second one is motor nerves. Motor nerves is just opposite to the sensory nerves, means in the function I am saying, because motor nerves carries the message from the brain or the spinal cord to other parts, especially the muscles, the working parts. Okay, so the motor nerves carries the message from the brain or spinal cord to the parts of the body. So this also act like a one-way traffic. Only the motor cells carries the message from the brain. It won't carries the messages to the brain. Like the same, the sensory nerves only carry messages to the brain. It won't carries from the brain. Okay. So like one-way traffic, it is these two type nerves are acting. There is a third type is called mixed nerves. What? Mixed nerves. Those nerves carries the message from the brain and the spinal cord and to all over the body, and also message from the all over the body to the brain or spinal cord. So this mixed nerves act like a two-way. It goes and carries back. But this motor nerves only from the brain, it carries to the parts of the body. This sensory organs, from the sense organs to the brain. Here from the brain to the body. Okay. But the mixed nerves can carry the message from the brain to the body, and from the body to the brain. So in both ways it will carry the messages. So like that, the nerves help the brain and the spinal cord to control the actions of the body, and also the carry the message from other parts of the body to the brain and the spinal cord.